For this last weekend, I released the QuantCrawler trend strategy and I built out a community page for everybody to share their most successful settings. Let me tell you a little bit about QC Trend and the strategy. You get it free for 30 days. Anybody can access it. You just go to quantcrawler.com, you sign up for a 30-day trial, and then after that, it's $9.99 a month. But you'll get a full 30 days to try it out and see the value that it's actually going to give you and make sure it works with your trading style completely for free. So now that we got that out of the way, QC Trend is basically at its core the main function that I build all of my indicators and strategies off of. It has a smart trail in it, and it essentially, like I said, is the core of everything that I build. And then I expand on that from there. But this is basically a trend calculator. It flips bullish, bearish, and you can adjust the sensitivities of it. So let me hop in and show you a few of the settings and how it works. So this is right here, my 4-minute trend strategy that I have. And when the trend flips from bearish to bullish based on your filters, it takes that direction. So right here, it flipped bullish, it went long, and then it flips and went bearish, went short, and that one hit. Then over here, later that evening, it went long again, and that hit. So now that we have these 3 wins, is how this works is when the volume is there and it's enough to dictate this actually flipping to bullish or bearish, the trades are going. So I'll show you guys real quick in my settings. These back tested results that I'm about to show you, I have 62 cents per contract in commissions, slippage is 2, and I'm only running this with 1 contract. So I'll show you over the last 365 days what this looks like. Over the last 365, the total P&L is $6,805.90. The max drawdown is $804.30 for a win rate of 86.43%, a profit factor of 1.512. Now, if we bring this down even more microscopic into the 90-day, you'll see right here, 4,638 with a drawdown of 634, and almost 91% win rate over 230 trades, and a profit factor of 2.188. Then even more fine-tuned the last 30 days. And again, 1 contract, that's it, just 1. P&L 1,946, drawdown of $634.80, and almost 92% win rate over 83 trades, and a profit factor of 2.501. So it works. If you want to trade it, great. If you don't want to trade it and you don't think it works, that's fine. This is what I trade, and it's done pretty well. 56 funded accounts, and this is what I run on it. So it works. The other thing you can do is you can come over to quantcrawler.com/community. Now, I just put this over the weekend. This is where the community can put their builds out here. And it does say I put all my proper disclaimers. They're unverified, user-generated content, read before trading. Basically, just make sure that you test and validate this because I don't have the time to actually double check every single one of these, but this is open for the community. And again, as how this works is when settings get posted, you get 20 upvotes, and if you get 20 upvotes in 7 days, the settings stay. If someone comes in here and they are just blasting settings and they're curve fitting everything, where basically they're saying, hey, over the last 5 days, this has a 100% win rate over 19 trades, and then you look at it over 30 days and it actually only has like a 30% win rate, and downvote it. So is how it works. You get 20 upvotes, it automatically stays on here. Or if it gets 10 downvotes, it's automatically removed. Or if you don't have either in 7 days, the settings didn't get enough attention, you can repost them again, but they're also going to be removed after 7 days to try and keep this clean and basically not spammed. The builds have to be validated by the community. And so it's kind of a community project. You can filter by QC trend or QC signals, but in this video, we're just talking about trend and the strategy that came out. You can filter by ticker, you can filter by time frame, and you can also sort by whichever factor you want to look at. You start to see the newest submissions here, and then you can see right here at the top, MGC by Chicago Sid. He's one of our support guys in the Discord. We have 6,200 people in our Discord, by the way. If you guys want to hop in there, we'd appreciate anybody joining and hopping in there and contributing to the community. But you can come in here and click into Sid settings, and then you can see these are the only settings that have changed from the defaults. You'll also see the other settings that Sid has provided to the community, and you can click through those as well. Right up here at the top, you can click Download TV Settings. And when that downloads, it goes into a CSV. You can expand all of this out, and it gives you every single setting for the strategy to actually make it look like what he has right here with a 5.26 profit factor. Now, the other thing you can do as well is in here, this actually is the one that I did because this was going through my Python engine. You can see that I don't even put my stuff at the top. We're climbing the ranks though. We're at number 21 down here. Slowly but surely, I'm coming for Sid's top spot, but we'll see. We'll get there eventually. So this is the one that I built in Python. This is different than the one you just saw. This is a 4-minute right here, but this also is a good one. And I'm going to show you these settings here as well. The 3-minute has a profit factor of 1.64. The net result, 5,712. The drawdown is $651. It has an 82.3% win rate and 542 trades. And this was the year that I tested it from August 9th of 25 to August 9th of 26. It's a full 365. So when someone comes in and they put their settings, they have the opportunity to upload screenshots as well. So right here, for example, in mine, you can click, these are the exact settings that you're seeing here. When you expand this, if you can't back test as far, if you don't have the trading view ultimate plan like I have, and you can't go back that far, you can see my screenshots that I posted. So $5,712 with a $651 drawdown, 82.29% win rate, and a profit factor of 1.642. I know we just talked about that back here when I was recapping the top, but you can now see it in there. And then you can go last 90 days. This one had 3,123 with a $554 drawdown, 84% win rate, profit factor of 1.938. And then the last 30 days. You can upload up to 3 screenshots essentially. So the last 30 days, $763 for $378 drawdown, 81% win rate almost, profit factor of 1.526. So this one here is going to stay. It's got 26 upvotes, no downvotes. You can download the settings right here, open it up, and when you expand all of this out, you can see all of the settings. I actually caught this mid video here that super right here in our Discord at QC Trend chat. Anybody can get access to this, by the way. It says for your MNQ 3-minute, it's fabulous, but it's time for the community to also help you, which I appreciate. I have better settings. Remove trading on Mondays and move trading end time to 3 a.m. from the 2 a.m. you currently have way better results. So also stop loss at 5 ATR is too much. Reduce it to 3.3. So let's go try what he said and see what it looks like. So I actually kept the stop loss at an ATR of 5, and it was correct. $6,143 on the P&L versus $5,712 over here. Drawdown of 660, which is close to what I have here, 651. I have an 82.29% win rate. This is 82.75. Profit factor, however, 1.825 over 1.642. So that is better, and I do like that. So let's look at the last 90 days. I'll switch this one to my 90-day chart so we can go apples for apples here. Last 90 days with these revisions, 3,864 for a 568 drawdown, 87% win rate, and a 2.848 profit factor, which is much better than my last 90 days by a lot. So look, profit factor 1.938, 2.848, almost a full point better in profit factor. So this is the point of the build, of people being able to interact, to chime in and say, hey, yours is good. It's a good foundation. I found a way to make it better, and we have it in our Discord, the community helping the community. This is what I've always wanted to have, a community with settings that can post and people just go crazy and they go wild. And these settings here are wide open. Anybody can get access to this free for 30 days. They can hop in and start messing with everything. Stop loss methods, you can do ATR, you can do fixed points, you can do percentage, same with the take profit. You can do a trailing stop. You can do a time filter, 3 different time filters, actually, a day filter, exit on flips. Like, I mean, there's so much you can that we're going to find some crazy optimized items in this strategy specifically. So this is the QC Trend strategy. I would love it if you would try it out. You can join our Discord. Like I said, I'll show you. We have 6,200 people in there right now. Scroll up here, members right here, 6,206 people in here. We're not a small little startup of community trying to, become somebody. We're actually doing it. We have 6,200 people that are in here pretty much daily, and everybody is helping everybody win. Come get your hands on this strategy and let's get to work on it.